Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Importing all preferences from home interface.
Starting face recognition. Face detected. Welcome, boss. System loading. How are you, sir? I am Jarvis, your virtual assistant. You can ask me things like what is the time now, date now. I can find your location if you give command find location. I can do any math and science related problems if you say help me in math. I can also open apps, whatever you want. Try saying open file explorer or something like that. You can play quiz game by saying quiz game. You can say things like open YouTube. I can search anything and everything in Google by just saying search on Google. I can also capable to send WhatsApp messages. I can take screenshots, say jokes, give advices, say weather at any location. Search Wikipedia X at raw.